Hello guys. Hey guys. So actually, today the market really dropped really sharply, and I was wondering if anyone actually noticed it. And I think someone really big in the Bitcoin world actually sold Bitcoin today. Bitcoin was trading around 23 300 today, but in just less than 1 minute, Bitcoin dropped all the way from 23 300 all the way to 22, yeah, all the way to 2390. Yeah, so the drop was so sharp. It was so sharp. So if we click right here, we could see the all-time high of Bitcoin price for the past 24 hours. That is for today, was about 23,457, and then it's dropped all the way to an all-time low where we are right now, which is about 815 right here. So that has really affected the price of so many cryptos in the market as of today. I was actually uh, in, I just exited a trade and then I was in another trade when that price really dropped like that. So uh, I want to show you guys. I always, also try to teach you guys how to do all the trading stuff on from your Binance, maybe the spot trading and the rest of them. And the drop today was messy, really messy, and that brings us to this question: if we are really in a bull run or bull trap, which I already uploaded a video on for you guys to actually understand that this might be a bootstrap we are actually in. Okay, my phone is a bit glitchy. I'm trying to understand how to actually operate this live thing pretty well. So you can see right there. Now all these were in green earlier today, being Sunday, but it all dropped massively. If I click on the market, now these were some couple of cryptos that were actually trading. This was trading about 0.45 AGIX. It increased very well, and then the CTXYXC was about 25%. This one was about 30%, but they've all dropped to an extreme low level. Okay, so I'm still in a trade though, and the trade has not yet exited. So immediately I took the profit for the first trade, then that drop occurred, and then the market has been wavering since then. And all the crypto that were performing very well have all dropped to a very low level. This one here was about 130% up today, but it's down to about 69%. All right. So most of y'all still don't know how to conduct a simple spot trading on Binance right here, or a simple, yeah, to conduct a simple spot trading. And I've always taught you guys how to do spot trading, and you could make a whole lot of profit doing spot trading. Now, let me show you something. I moved some funds here to my spot wallet. This is spot wallet. This is how much that was made today out of spot trading, and mm, this is a kind of little to compared to what could be made in some days. Now, if you check the overall balance, right, you see about $9,000 right there, and yeah, $9,100 or something there about. Now, spot trading is very simple and sweet to do. Now, when you want to do a spot, you want to conduct a spot trading. Now, you have to be a friend to this Binance wallet, spot wallet. And if you're a friend to this Binance spot wallet, you always see the cryptos that are actually performing very well every single day, and the ones that are actually performing really badly every single day. And now, looking at this market right here, I could look for a crypto that is performing really well, or then go down to the bottom I've also showed you guys how to switch here. Helps you to switch cryptos from the badly performing cryptos to the ones that are performing best for the day. So most times you could switch to the ones that are actually that you have checked with this trend to see that okay, these cryptos are always doing good in the top trend. And let me say this Hive, for instance. Hive was actually top of the trend today, but it has gone to a very low price. Now, crypto that have a very good trading volume. Now, you have to take note of their trading volume. So, look at this. It's about 11 million for the past 24 hours. Okay. Now, cryptos that like these that have great trading volume that have always been every single time they are always up on the top trend. Now, if you trade them for maybe within the next 24 hours, they are going to perform well and they're going to give you a good amount of profit. So let's say I want to trade this particular crypto now. Look at the all-time high it has gone to. So let me just check. Let's check in, let's say a couple of 1 hour. Okay, a couple of 1 hour, 1 hour trend. This is how low it is right now. For the past 1 hour, this is one all-time high it has been at. That's about if you check right here you will see about 0.6260. All right, so 0.6260. Let me go back to the daily trend. 0.6260, you see that it's not even close to the all-time high that it has gone to within the past 24 hours. That's about 0.6469. Now, this particular crypto is going to retest that position that it has actually gone to. So let's say I want to buy this crypto for, let's say, $1,000. All right, the $1,000. Let me put $1,000. All right, at this current price, and then put a sales order. A sales order. By now, you should be familiar with all these particular terms. Okay, but now if you are not familiar with the rest, I believe this limit market should be very much uh yeah, you should know this particular one, this first two. All right, so always living at limit. All right, so let's say I want to buy this crypto now with $1,000 right now at that price, at that particular price that it has gone to before. What are we gonna earn? So let's put that price with the same quantity. All right, remind you, shifting that zero now, I'll still have this quantity left here. So let's put 0.6260. Now, the moment this market decide to reverse in the next few minutes or in the next few hours, and then goes back to touch that trend, this is what we're going to make from $1,000. We're going to make about $1,357 in profit. This one we're not even going to the all-time high that it has gone for the past 24 hours. Yeah, that's what that's going to make. And most times I don't even allow it to get to that far. I could still put my my limit to be something a bit low, let's say 500, and still make a decent $8. And the good thing about trading here is even if the crypto decided to plunge down a little bit, now these cryptos they are not running away. They are always there. People are just buying it to keep it. Now it will always return there. All right. So that's the only thing about this. Now, so now that you get that, most people do just make their analysis from places like CoinMarketCap when they check news. If you tap on Bitcoin, when you go to places like CoinMarketCap, when you tap on Bitcoin, you see all of the latest news. All right, that bull run starts straight to the basement. Saw some proof feeders with new copy paste, excess, blah blah blah. Okay, so here, if you click on the news option, you will see the latest stuffs happening in the market. Okay, I do set a lot to see how it's going. Okay, look at RG's giving me a lot. It has gone back to hit zero point 0.4 price. Okay, 50x crypto portfolio update. Why am I adding the one coin? So you see a couple of news I right there. If you're following some good persons on Twitter that are all about the altcoins level, you get to know the latest what is happening in the market, and that will help to enhance your trade a by using what they call fundamental analysis. Okay, fundamental analysis. With the fundamental analysis, you be able to you be able to analyze market. Look at this one. Caution, BTC testing support. Right, look at this guy. So BTC testing support. Okay, those are people that do fundamental analysis, and there are a couple of them. So you could check them out on Twitter. They'll enhance your analysis, fundamental analysis, and your trading as well. Okay, so now let me know in the comment section if you have ever have any questions about trading the crypto market and how it is like for you, if you've ever done a trade. So all these things here, y'all may be seeing it like, oh, the market is red, but what I see here are all trading opportunity, like an opportunity to actually go into the market and make some good profits. Even in the time of bear market, there are still some cryptos that do come up and blow beyond the roof. Like even when the market shut down, this particular crypto came out from nowhere and really did great. All right. So join me in making some profit like this in a day. All right. So I well, this I call this little because I have a friend who have made $300 today, and then I have some other person who have also made about 400 or more dollars today. Some have made about 700 to $1,000 today. So let's say in my local currency, if I'm to calculate that $158 right there times the, the, the amount in exchange, our exchange amount, let me say 42, I'll be having about 117,000, which is a decent money for someone to make trading the market daily. So thank you guys for joining my live, and I appreciate if you join my community or you get some peg, and hopefully next time when I come live I'll see a larger audience, because this audience we have right here is very low. I think I'm literally seeing uh one or two persons right there, but I really appreciate you if you're actually here on this live. All right, so thank you.